Welcome to Boundary Ford, located 2502 50th Ave, Mr. Border City. Today we're taking this beautiful brand new 2023 Ford F-150 XLT. The exterior color is Oxford white, as well as under the hood being a 3.5-liter V6 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have automatic headlamps, fog lamps, and engine block heater, and over to the side we have 20-inch aluminum wheels from Hankook tires, as well as color-matched handles and black mirror caps. This 23F150 also comes with remote start, as well as an engine block heater. At the rear, we have a power lift tailgate, as well as a rear camera with reverse sensing systems. At the interior, we have drive-friendly features from mirror locks, power windows, as well as mirror settings on door storage. Making our way into the cabin, you'll see your lovely black cloth seating, the dust looking outside, as well as our lumbar support. Over our steering column, you see your automatic headlamp settings, as well as a tilt steering wheel with our cruise control option on the left and our median hand period option on the right, which is developing your rearview mirror along with our cabin lighting. Looking over our center face, the options available such as audio, phone integration, navigation, favorites, apps, settings, as well as features, which is below being a climate control area, which provides air conditioning and heating entire cabin. Alongside that, we have heated seats. If there are any more questions about this beautiful brand new 2023 Ford F-150 XLT, then please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. Thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.